What's going on, YouTube? Today we got some simple. We got a 2007 Chrysler 300 scat pack swap. The issue that we were having with this vehicle is that the radio will not stay on. It'll come on sometimes, say SRT, and it'll go away. But we did a lot of testing on the vehicle, and all the testing came back, in fact, good. All the things we did, we would test the unit itself. We took it out, placed it into another car, plugged it up, and it was working perfectly fine. Then we go back to the original vehicle, it wasn't responding as well. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace his body harness, because that's the last thing that we can really put our finger on that will be the issue. So hopefully that resolves the issue. If not, then we're going to have to try to the dashboard as well. So let's just hope we don't have to come to that. So let's go ahead and get to this video and do this body harness. Alright, so we got the car in here. We're about to go ahead and start busting this thing down, getting all the interior out, getting really everything out aside from the dashboard, because that's really the only thing that we probably wouldn't have to all the way unhook in order to get this completed. So I'm going to actually give y'all guys a good little footage of the inside of the car, the seats, how the dashboard and all those things in there look. And this is what it looks like before we get to taking it apart. So I wasn't going to do a time lapse initially, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse just to show you guys how we get down at One Shot Performance. So if you go ahead and get to work, hope y'all enjoy.
Hey, I'm in my lane on some gangster shit. Whole time I been plotting like on some dangerous shit. And I was wildin', they was wondering where my brain went. I let them think, whole time it wasn't lost at all. And when you be fucked up, it don't be hard for folks to get lost at all. I'm just chasing money, I'ma pick up like every time it call. Message to my people, yeah, we finna ball. It's gonna be alright, but you might catch me talking to the moonlight. I'm thinking.
Say, man, I don't know who put this bolt in or how they put this bolt in. But what y'all see with me in this spot for a while is because this bolt right here, bro, I don't know how they put that in there, but it just sent her turning. But I've been over here fighting that bolt probably about the past 10-15 minutes. It'll just turn out. So I'm finna try to figure out how to get that out, and then I'll start the time that's back up. I'll show y'all how it look when I actually get it out. So I'll be right back.
Like what I'm finna do tonight. Me and the Ace might link up. We broke out the zoo tonight. None of these niggas can't see us. I always win, can't beat me. Hey, get out the way. Beep, beep, or get sweet. I ain't going for one thing, cause these niggas thinking shit sweet. I'm floating town with this 9 in my reach. If a nigga try play with my life, I'm putting his ass to sleep. He gon' wake up out his body, walking upstairs to G. And I feel almighty. This shit here legendary, but I ain't really doing.
Alright, so we finally got all the stuff out that we need to get out to really just put another body harness in just to make sure it works. Of course, we're not going to plug up every single thing, but we're going to plug up everything that's necessary to make sure that right there comes on. So once I took everything out, I did start noticing stuff like this is to the cigarette light porter thing that goes right here. This was all mangled up. So if you can see, that is a negative. That is pretty sure a positive, and this is a switched. Maybe these two right here can touch, this bottom one and that top one, but in that one should never touch. So I feel like he probably popped a fuse or something, but I already checked out the fuse, so at this point I'm pretty sure something is probably burnt up in this harness furthermore than what we even diagnostic. So what I'm finna go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and go grab the other harness and probably just try to place it on top of this one, or I might even just try to tinker with this one a little bit more to see if we can still get the pop on. But if we can't, we're going to go ahead and go grab the other harness and put it in here to see if it cut on. So worst case scenario, we'll have to put the other one in here to make sure it works. Best case scenario, we can find out where this thing is shortening out at, and we'll be able to fix it, because it is a lot of stuff attached to this. I think this goes to the light for the doors or whatever. I don't know, but if y'all want to take my advice, if y'all want stuff like that did correctly, come to me, because this is actually speaker wire. I don't know exactly what gauge it is, but I would not use that. I would use wires that is actually meant for this application and not speaker wire. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Try to tinker with it, see what we can get going. If I come back, that's probably because we got something going. But if not, y'all gonna see me throw that other harness on top of this one, and hopefully that works out. So let's get to work.
Shit. Let everybody else tell it. I think niggas be jealous. That fake shit gon' block your blessing. I don't even sweat it. I'm applying pressure, steady. Tryna swipe me son like Tevin. I hate to be spaghetti. Hate me for what? I got my own flow. Hop in the booth and I cook up. Every time I look up, I made a hit song. I fell in love with the headphones. Speaking the real shit from the dome. I thought a fuck nigga said something. Hold up, a fuck nigga said what?
Alright, so we did a little bit of tinkering and we still couldn't get this thing to work out. So at this point, to save us some time, what we gonna go ahead and do is we gonna just slap that new battle harness on top that we will have a known good harness. And then if it don't pop on then, we're gonna check some more stuff that's inside the dashboard. And then we're also going to go check the fuse that's also in the front up here. So let's get straight to doing it.
He said he on what type of time, say you ready to go? I'm on a mission and I ain't done, pull up, I pack, I smoke. Compare me to a wave, the way I flow. And I'm searching for better days, it's coming, I know. I ain't never losing hope. I'm in my lane on some gangster shit. Whole time I been plotting like on some danger shit. And I was wildin', they was wondering why.
Alright, so check me out. God damn, I just hit my head. But check me out though. We got the new harness in. But I know it look real bad. Y'all bear with me. I just put the new harness on top of the old harness, which is a known good harness, like I said. And we got it all the way hooked up now. You know what I'm saying? We got the computer back in. We got everything hooked up. We got what we need hooked up. We got our grounds hooked up. That's the ground from the old harness right here. But the new harness, obviously, is grounded to the chassis. So we got everything hooked up. You see, I got my little sit up in here while I had y'all propped up on. You know what I'm saying? Using light tight. You know what I'm saying? But look, though. This is the best part of it. It can be the best part, it can be the worst part. What we finna do, we finna go ahead and go back there to that trunk. We finna hook up this battery in. I already put the positive on. Y'all really can't see, but I put the positive on. Now we gonna put this ground on and let's see if this radio cut on. Oh yeah, we got action. Now this the real test right here. Do it stay on? Cause it did that before. But the question is, does it stay on? So let's get the key. Oh Lord, I got some stuff that's loose. I'll be right back. All right, so we back, and the issue that we was having, in fact, that was loose. I had that cable right there loose on the negative side, and the one going to the chest was a little loose. But we actually forgot to plug up this box right here. If that box is not plugged up, your button won't work. So we got that plugged up. Now let's turn this switch on and see if this issue is resolved. And come on. Let's work. All right, so it do that. All right, we got him back in the game. He back in the game now. So now it's time for the fun part. We gotta put this stuff back together temporarily because that is actually my battery harness. So we just put it in there just to check to make sure it works. So we gotta wait till he bring his own battery harness that we gonna reinstall. Until then, we finna put it back together. And we're gonna park it over there, and I'll be back once that new battery harness get here so y'all can see me go ahead and put this thing back together. And I'll try to get a customer reaction when he come pick it up. But y'all see what we do, y'all see what we capable of. I'll be right back. All right, so check me out. Your boy came clutch. That boy pulled up tonight and brought both battery harnesses. I'm saying both like it's two on them. He brought two battery harnesses, but one of them is good. He told me one of them bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take mine out, put it away, take his out completely. And then we're going to basically put one arm in at a time to see which one actually works. Whichever one works, we'll go ahead and fully install it. And basically put this thing back together. We can put it back in this pocket spot and have it ready for pickup. So enough with the talking. We finna go ahead and take these battery harnesses out. Let's do it.
My brain went, I let them think, whole time it wasn't lost at all. And when you be fucked up, it don't be hard for folks to get lost at all. I'm just chasing money, I'ma pick up like every time it call. Message to my people, yeah, we finna ball. It's gonna be alright, but you might catch me talking to the moonlight. I'm thinking, like what I'm finna do tonight.
Alright, so check me out. I almost got this battery harness all the way out, but bro, the amount of electrical tape that y'all be using to wire up stuff is insane. Actually insane. All of this electrical tape. How many times do I gotta tell y'all? Do not use all this electrical tape. People be wanting the highest quality. And this is why swaps have a bad name, because people do dumb stuff like this. Use heat shrink tubing. And then you put just a little bit of electrical tape. It's so much electrical tape in here, they done left the roll of it in here. So when I go back to put this harness back in, when I gotta wire these, I'm gonna show y'all how it's supposed to look. I think I got some heat shrink. If I do, I'm gonna show you. But even if I don't have none, I'm gonna show you a way to actually not have to use so much electrical tape. That is just insane. I just sat right here and unraveled electrical tape probably for 15 minutes just to get the tail lights unhooked. But back to the video. I'm about to go ahead and I gotta take the wheels off so I can get to those connectors that goes right there. That one is for the tire pressure monitoring, and I think that one right there go to the evap for the pressure. But no, that goes to the evap for pressure. That goes to another thing for the evap over there. So once I get these wheels off, get into those wheel wells and get those off, y'all see me pull this harness out, and that's when we'll go back with one of these to see which one is actually good. Put it back in. So let me get back to work and I'll be back. All right, so I think we got everything unhooked. We should be able to just grab this thing by the neck and get it on up out of here. Shit, we can just grab this thing by the neck. I didn't know these harnesses are righteous heavy. Come on, everything come on with it. Just like that, out with the old. We're gonna separate this one. All right, so that's how we look with it completely gutted out. Completely gone. No harness in there now. We had to take the wheels off to get up in there. Same thing on the other side. The wire that you see right here is for the ambient lighting that was put in the door. But body harness gone, so we about to go ahead and start putting this other one back in. So let's get back to work.
Me and the ace might link up. We broke out the zoo tonight. None of these niggas can't see us. I always win, can't beat me. Hey, get out the way. Beep, beep, or get sweet.
Alright, so check me out. In that last clip, y'all probably seen me looking crazy, looking around the whole back of the car. But the reason why was the body harnesses that he brought, both of them was bad. One of them was cut up very bad, and the other one was, I think, the wrong year. So neither one of those was good. So while we was waiting on parts, we had to order a new one. We went ahead and got the charger completed, and then we brought the car in. So quick little update. At the end of the night, we ended up just throwing everything back in the car, just mangled up in here, just everywhere, you know, just to move it out the way. But now what we finna do is we're gonna go ahead and pull all this stuff out, and we're gonna install a new body harness, a brand new body harness. This is it right here. Ordered from eBay. Probably cost around $800. The customer got it for us, sent it in, and now we're gonna put it in here. So we ain't gonna do too much more talking. We finna go ahead and just get all this stuff out and put that new battle harness in. Next time y'all see us, we're gonna be cranking up and riding. So let's do it.
If you didn't know, I got a whole lot of knowledge. Okay, let me pop my shit. I'm one nigga, but I'm fly than two pilots. I jump on the beat, close my eye like a VR. I think I'm I roll up this wood, get high than blimps. Now I'm the flyest. Come back to back, call me plays. I keep it real and shawty know I'm having shit my way. She said I can call on her for anything, so I'ma snap. I call, she pick up late. Hey, please don't play with Tay. Yeah, I love you, but rather not call you. So if we go out, don't say it's a date. Cause I ain't living like them and I ain't living like me. People living fake, and I make her smile, tell her she might be a part of my fate. I'm like, you beautiful, shit like all tanks. And I woke up today, I'm like, all thanks. Who really fucking with Hancho? Who really fucking with Tay? None of y'all hang. And I'm in a hot box fishbowl, can't see out the windows, it's full of dank. Hey, please don't play with my life, bitch. This ain't what you think. Everything gon' work out in my favor, make a nigga ass get down and plank. And all you drink, make a nigga take these shots to the head. Dead head, you know what I mean? Tryna see how you think. This world getting colder, still ain't went by my mink. I been on my grind so fucking hard, adding profit to my re. And these niggas can't stop me. I used to watch the time, but now I ain't watch. Say they can't stop me, I'ma keep going. Might stop at a jeweler, tell them watch me. You wanna learn how to be a king, nigga, come and watch me. And I can't trust no bitch, cause they be slick just like a fox. And Huncho walk straight out the house, squeaky clean hair like a mop beat. And she wanna do procedures on me, she think she a doc. Please, trapping for a week, pink Nike on my feet, bet these niggas can't rock this. If you think it's sweet, nigga, take
All right, we back a bit earlier, but let me show y'all this right here. That's what I was trying to tell you when it come down to that heat shrink tubing. I use heat shrink tubing over electrical tape because this right here is weatherproof and all that, so you won't have to worry about water or moisture getting into those wires. But I do still tape up the whole thing, but I don't use as much because I primarily use that for just covering the wires to make it look more like this. So same thing over here. As far as the progress that we got, y'all know already seen. Only thing we gotta do is put the carpet back here, and we'll pretty much be about done back here. We even wired up the tag light. I didn't do this method. This is not the method I usually do, but I seen these two wires coming up out of here, and I knew how to figure out which wire it was that controlled the tag light. So put that on there, and surprisingly it worked. So they got the tag light working. We got all the functions on this working except that reverse light, because if you want the reverse light to work, that's gonna cost you extra on these first gens and really second gens, really Chrysler as a whole. But it's gonna cost a bit extra, but it's cool. It ain't nothing mandatory. You ain't gonna really use it unless you backing up. So. But we got the interior just about completely wrapped up. I could try to pop this on right here real quick. See if that want to go up there. You know what? We'll do that in a minute. But we got to put the door panel back on. We do got the seats back in. We got the carpet back in. I think I got to put some carpet mats down. But other than that, man, we about done. So in a second, y'all be seeing me firing this thing up. We'll be taking it outside, and we'll be waiting on the customer to come pick it up. So let's get back to work.
Bullets. Get that mini ride. All these niggas do is talk shit on the internet. You might as well get into blogging. Look, I got the ball, it ain't no hogging. If it was a game, probably Uda my nigga, tell him break the goal. That nigga attempt to take what's mine. I want to attempt to take your soul. These bullets hot, it's something like touching the motherfucking stove. There it go, okay, wait, there it go. Huncho in that mode again. Better not go play with that man. Said the gun he told on his best friend. Ready to lay down a big man. On the run, like, take where the fuck you been. Running, I can't stop sprinting. I just saw a sign that said if you already won, then how you gon' win again? Damn, that shit make sense for real. On God, therefore on me, it's gon' stick for real. I cannot lose or fail. All I do is live life happily, and when people leave, I wish them well. I believe in manifestations, not wishing wells. And the law of attraction. How you give to receive, but won't put that back in. I'm giving every day, at the same time I'm counting up back ends. These herbs I got from the earth go out, and then I get them racks in. Hey, ha ha ha, I'm laughing right now. Ha ha ha, I'm serious for real. And I ain't popping no pill, but I'm up like an Adderall, cause my energy pure and real. And I don't steal, but I know some niggas that steal, and they'll come take your shit.
Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up for the video. We had to replace the battle harness because the radio wasn't working. So now that we got that issue resolved, y'all have an issue that's similar to this one or any type of issue, man, feel free to hit me up at One Shot Performance on Instagram, or you can hit me up on TikTok at oneshot.drizzy. But the best way to reach me probably would be through the Instagram method as well. So we also do swaps. We do first gen, second gen, third gen. I travel to do swaps as well. If you can't bring it to me, I can travel to you. So however y'all want to do it, man, just shoot me a DM. But I'm going to give y'all a couple shots of this car before we take it out. Once we get outside, hey, that'll be it. So until then, man, stay tuned in. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe, comment, and stay locked in. Let's do it.
I'm getting this shit out the mud, and I'm living that nigga, fuck how it was. And these niggas really be bugs. Cause when you pull up, you don't need to hit the buzz. And no, I ain't giving a fuck. Cause all that fake shit getting swept on the rug. I'm on my body wildin' out, just because I don't give a fuck, bitch, do something. My nigga wildin' out, say he ready to shoot some. I'm telling him, keep the tool up. Look at this cold ass watch on my wrist. Young nigga getting goosebumps. This for them real niggas and they know who they is. I just wanna see you up. Bitch, I'm a real nigga, I'm just keeping it real. Straight to the top and the shoot up, yeah. Straight to the top and shoot up. Hop on the mic and these niggas, they know I'm the truth. Caught that bitch flame in the booth. I keep it cool, but I can go A like the zoo. Turn up, raising the roof, real gas bad blazing it too. And my little bitch dressing sexy, like she better boot. I need to chase some diamonds in the coupe. I'ma keep chasing money till I'm through.